3 tips for futures grid. Grid not generating profits? Check out these 3 techniques to boost your grid ROI quickly. 1. Choose proper trading pairs. Aim for cryptos that you are familiar with or that are subject to greater volatility. 2. Set proper upper and lower limits for the grid. As seen, the red box indicates the ideal price range of the grid, which lies between the resistance and support level. So how to locate the upper and lower limits before starting your grid strategy? Here are 2 tips for you. Tip 1. Refer to momentum indicators. A common indicator would be the Bollinger Band (BOLL). We can use the upper and lower Bollinger Band for the K-line of the last 4 hours, or of the day as the grid limits. Tip 2. Set limits according to the K-line pattern. Refer to the 4-hour K-line and set the upper and lower limits according to frequent highs and lows. 3. Set the grid number. The grid number decides the grid density. With the same total investment, the denser the grids, the more they can capture small swings in the market. The smaller the average fund per grid. Setting a proper number of grids needs to take into account both the fund per grid and the grid density. A standard indicator to measure volatility would be average true range, ADR. If you want your grid to trade every 15 minutes, refer to the 15-minute K-line to determine the ADR. Once the ADR is determined, you can calculate the grid number with the following formula. Grid number equals upper limit minus lower limit divided by ADR of 15-minute K-line. The grid number is set according to the K-line pattern. If the grid has an upper limit of 22533 and a lower limit of 18665 and the ADR 14 is 66, then the grid number would be 58. View details of the futures grid strategy you just created by clicking into the grid trading. Last but not the least, use backtesting and stop loss wisely. Now, try these techniques to enjoy profit from futures grid.